the Canada
Next stop, Grey Street.
Tibet lane also Parliamentary pa show so now so chama chupare ni is to be le tang da lamba dia oh tati danda Canada Toronto ge ani chocho de ani manjo teride oh da tringa de le ba tre page ni mo la ni Tibet de la ni khechimbo shi chigi do nga thema thangbo de le Ondi teman thambole tengare khacha da Canada shungi message chabrwa kusnen daga shungi message cha da ni de la suso ge da pheding ko le shutu che da thandi la koka ya podwa andi koka de danji chene de le ne ni suso ge phenang kange da ni da pheding ko la ya thocho thumi mongbo do khona chola ya shuchu samninga ke chimbo chinele di thanda de Canada ge Toronto ge thocho ge de la ni de kun조게 소소게 다데 저 소소게 로주다 된데 캐나다게 저 샤도아데 네 안저 페나로라 다른 살랑아 저게 페바게 제된 가여 와데다 치바르샤 kun조 안데 저 참아 코난소 희망이마라 캐나다게 코난소 나로라다 인지됨돌라 마지인사레 된데게 대망보 샤샤 드네반 so Tibet de thadi chede Tibet de oh ta tina nganjon de den de page ni mo la de den ani kusan chogi jetinda ani danda nganjo kusan chogi ni chasinge gowa de si junglo sa sengela la ma phewa da tinde nganjo deben shimba ani thocho thumi khonan so yone ni tika sama inji teshairang khonan so lo ne ni khonan so lo ding ge de nyin thong le ra ma so nga ju daga chitila sa cha so oh dan de hango din zo khare sha na ni ma Canada la ni ya pu mo bo shi ande chine da zeng chine ni ande chine pu mo bo shi thong do ni ma la da khonan so 이제 낸지 중에 대난게 코난 속에 한국 된저 보고 된저가 한국 된저 대 대진 샤샤
And we're actually right next to, actually, you know what, for our students as well, can you come up? With MVP Hogarth, we have Tenzin Tawal, who is our student placed with MVP Hogarth. We have MPP Trevor Jones.
Oh, that didn't allow the community to that did not to Canada to no tango. Consider you 10 sabitilla, Tawachi, and that day good in the ship to lay the Indian, the financial. You can do to come to pay your bottle and then I'm going to pay to some to Conanzoni Pedin Codaman, the Shija, and they pay Sevo Yapoto.
What are young people right now, or what thoughts are on their mind, what's on their horizons, and what potential we can help them unlock. So thank you to my colleagues for putting this program together.
It shares borders with Nepal, India, as well as Bhutan, and currently Tibetans reside all over the globe in countries such as America, Canada, France, and much beyond.
Arrived in Canada from India in 1971. They became one of the earliest examples of non-European refugees accepted into the country. We see every year a build of common chain migration through this. So we see a lot of Tibetans coming in, integrating within the Canadian system, Canadian society, and we can see the growth of our community in size. We can also see more roots being established locally, and the Tibetan identity continues to flourish.
To highlight the cultural preservation of our language and our culture here in Toronto through community organizations such as TCCC and Tibetan Women's Association of Ontario. We have multiple efforts to continually preserve our culture and language through music, through schooling, and through education for all students in Ontario of Tibetan heritage. Additionally, we work with these groups to provide community support and solidarity for these people in our community.
such as TCCC that could substantially benefit from your time and skill set. Number 2, to support local businesses.
Many hours later.
타탄리 혼자데 캐넨터게 토론토게 도초게 나라 베기니 몰라 티베트 델라네 순지 치서 따티 차수 따티네 파두데 따티네 파두네 레가시에